गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। टुडे जैसा कि मैंने प्रॉमिस किया था आपको कि मैं इकोनॉमिक एंड पॉलिटिकल वीकली जो मैगजीन्स है उसके जितने सारे इश्यूज आते हैं हर एक मंथ में उसको मैं एक एक करके आपके सामने लाऊंगा एंड उसको जितना भी हो सके ब्रीफली डिस्कस करने की कोशिश करूंगा। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। वॉल्यूम नंबर 60 इशू 24। पहला आर्टिकल दिया हुआ है एंश्योरिंग द सोशल सेक्टर कन्वर्जेंस फॉर द इंक्लूसिव अर्बनाइजेशन। बात की गई है इंक्लूसिव अर्बनाइजेशन की। तो सबसे पहले समझते हैं अर्बनाइजेशंस होते क्या हैं। अर्बनाइजेशंस एक अरेंजमेंट होता है where the urban bodies are set up and it is derived mostly for the economic purpose. But why this urbanization is happening today? Because बोला जाता है कि city is the growth engine of economy and city provides an opportunity for all the skilled and unskilled laborers, whether it is a laborer, whether it is educated persons or etc. तो उसी केस में तेलंगाना में जो है सर्वे किए गए हैं। तो इस सर्वे में ये रिपोर्ट आया है कि सर्वे ऑफ slums in 4 different size cities in Telangana reveals that the need of to integrate bottom-up approach in the schemes that are currently top-down approach। तो जो सर्वे किए गए हैं तेलंगाना में तो उनसे ये पता चला है कि बहुत सारी स्कीम जो है टॉप डाउन अप्रोच पे फंक्शन कर रहे हैं बट इट शुड बी फंक्शनिंग ऑन द बॉटम अप अप्रोच। कुछ ऐसे सेक्टर्स हैं, कुछ ऐसे एरियाज हैं जहाँ पे बेसिक एम्यूनिटीज़ भी नहीं दी जा रही है, बट वहीं पे कुछ ऐसे सेक्टर्स हैं जहाँ पे अर्बन एम्यूनिटीज़ इतनी दी जा रही है कि ओवरफ्लो मिसयूज हो जा रहा है। आइए इसकी समरी देखते हैं। मैंने समरी प्रिपेयर किया है, आप प्लीज़ देखें इसे। द कोर आर्गुमेंट ऑफ द आर्टिकल इज द आर्टिकल सर्विस slums in 4 different size cities in Telangana. To understand what makes the urbanization inclusive, it highlights that integrating bottom-up approach into predominantly top-down scheme is crucial. It argues that non-economic factors like central location, notified slums status, access to civic services, land titles, housing affordability, social securities significantly influence the income and the well-being of the slum dwellers. And there is a need to understand the urban poverty, and it is very much different from rural poverty. So there must be the emphasization of education, skills, and other lifeline services, and empowering local communities, bodies, etc. तो इस आर्टिकल का सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है? द आर्टिकल इज वाइटल फॉर द अर्बन प्लानिंग एंड सोशल पॉलिसीज इन इंडिया as India rapidly urbanizes. The understanding how to make cities truly inclusive and ensuring that the benefit of urban growth reaches all segments of the population, especially the urban poor, is a major policy challenges. The focus on qualitative factors beyond more economic indicator adds depth to the debate on urban poverty reduction. Moving to the next article. This article is about preferential trade agreement PTA, building blocks then stumbling blocks. According to this article, there is a need of preferential trade agreement. Preferential trade agreement building blocks then stumbling. The core argument provided in this article is the PTA in global trade. The title suggests a liberalization can actually facilitate by creating large, more integrated market and fostering a greater cooperation. Building blocks significance in an era of increasing regionalism and stalled multilateral trading system. At the WTO, understanding the impact and potential of PTA is crucial. Public opinion of partitions. Based on the widely believed fact that the Muslim League was voted by the Muslims of UP, the recent the data from the Election Commission of India 1946 debunked this fact, as nearly 5% of Muslim population has voted for the partitions. Regionalism and cultural politics of Anglo-India. Regionalizations and cultural politics of Anglo-Indian identity in India. The core argument is building the people lightly explore how the English community, a unique ethno-religious group in India, has experienced and navigated processes of regionalization. It would delve into how their identity, culture, and social practices have been shaped and in turn shape different regional context within India. The culture politics aspects suggest an examination of the power dynamics, representation, and assertion of the identity. The significance of the article. The article contributes to the growing body of literature on the identity, multiculturalism, and minority student in India. This is all about this article. Urban Budget 2025 and India's Quest for Inclusivity. Union Budget 2025 and India's Quest for Inclusivity, an evaluation by the Shamadeep Chattopadhyay and Arjun Kumar. The article critically evaluates the provision of urban development in the budget 2025-2026, especially assessing the allocation. The real inclusivity require a fundamental rethinking of urban policymaking, focusing on empowering city government, strengthening municipal capacities, and generally integrating the need of the urban poor into planning mechanisms. This article is highly relevant piece for urban governance and public finances in India. As India continues its rapid urbanization, the success of its cities in becoming growth hubs and livable practices space depends heavily on the effective policies and adequate funding. Moving to the next article, the tale of two subplan. The two subplan, the travel subplan and SCS scheduled cost subplan. Core argument, the article provides excerpt from thoroughly examines and limitation of scheduled cost subplan and travel subplan. It identifies the key issue under allocation of funds, diversion of funds to general notion, notional schemes, and underutilizations of allocated funds. Crucially, it highlights a recent shift from the policy-driven budgeting for the SC/ST's approach to a scheme-based earmarking, which has diluted the original intent and led to the incidental benefit for marginalized group. It calls for a more proactive role from the nodal ministry. Significance. This is critically important analysis of affirmative action social justice in India towards greener pasture. An overview of pastoral economic policies and ecologies in India towards greener pasture. The core argument built by the writer, the multi-author piece, delve into the complex challenges facing pastoralism and grassland ecosystem in India, especially in the context of climate change and the changing land use pattern. It is contextualized Indian pastoralism globally, highlights the ecological factors shaping the next article is navigating cash transfer scheme. Maharashtra's Ladli Bahani scheme. Recent cash transfer initiative. It addresses common critique of cash transfer, temporary relief, negative crop structural issues, etc. This is the end of slide. Thank you very much.